Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use text to speech in Instagram stories. So that option is, or that feature is available only on Reels. So I have a solution for you guys. Firstly, I will show you how to use text to speech in Instagram Reels so we can post it on our story after we will create a reel on Instagram. So what I want you to do is to go into this plus button on your profile picture, or you can also just go into this plus below. So by tapping on it, you can right here record the video by using your camera, or you can just take a picture or a video from your device's gallery. So before, I want you to go into the wheel right here, tap on it, and after that I want you to upload a video from your as I told you, device's gallery, or you can just take a video. So let's take a black one just to set an example. Right, so right here what I want to do is to go into next. Alright, so here what I want to do, guys, is to go into this EA. So you can type a text on your video like hi, that's me, etc. Okay, done, just for example. And after you're finished of typing, you need to tap on the text that you just typed. Alright, so how can you use the text to speech? You can tap only on text to speech right here, and you can choose which speech that you want to apply on your text. For example, Alex. Alright, Billy. Bold. Alright, so okay. So once you are finished, you need to tap on the icon that was right here, and after that you can edit all the steps right here, and once you're finished you will go into next. So when you will post the reel, you need to go into that reel and repost it on your stories. So that's how to use text to speech in Instagram stories. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and goodbye.